Hi, I'm Alex from Inelco Grinders. Today's topic is tungsten dust. In any workshop dealing with metal, we are grinding, we're cutting, we are creating this dust and particles. Studies have shown that tungsten dust combined with cobalt and nickel can cause cancer. We need to avoid getting tungsten into our bodies. That's why we have fume extraction, we have ventilation, but we lack this awareness when we are dealing with our tungsten electrodes. Do you realize how much dust you produce when grinding with a belt grinder or a bench grinder or an angle grinder? Here at Inelco Grinders, we are very much aware of how much tungsten dust we produce because our machine collects it. We have the Ultimate TIG, which has a dust collector. This little bottle here, this is a new one. This is a filled dust collector. You can clearly see on the scale how much tungsten dust this dust collector has collected. Imagine all of this dust just flying around in your workshop. If it flies around in your workshop, where does it end? You might end up inhaling it. When you gather it, it is a lot of tungsten dust. Changing your dust collector on an Ultimate TIG is quite easy. Once your dust collector is full, here beneath the machine, you simply tap off the liquid. You then unscrew the full dust collector, making sure you don't spill. You take a new dust collector and screw that one on, and then you simply just level the liquid to the amount needed in the machine. And there you go, you've changed your dust collector. You now stand with a full dust collector in your hand. How to dispose of it is depending on your local legislation. Here in Denmark, it is disposed of as hazardous waste. So I will now go to our local waste company, hand it over to them, and they will take care of it and make sure that this tungsten dust is disposed of in a safe and healthy way. I now hope that you are aware of the importance of collecting the tungsten dust and that you will start avoiding it or just collecting it if you weren't already doing so. Make sure that you have a safe work environment and a healthy life. So, thanks for watching, stay safe and healthy, take it easy.